welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, there's an old saying, where there is a will, there is a way. And the saying still holds true even to this day. People, understand something. Friday morning, early Friday morning, police them see an 18-year-old youth walk on the road, right, along Spanish Town Road. Right, it was 2:50 in the morning. So you already know, say, there are curfew in place, right, and people supposed to be in their house by 8 o'clock. So naturally, if police see somebody walk on the road 2:50 a.m., especially along Spanish Town Road, then you know they're likely to pull them over. Them are going to start questioning them. So them pull over this youth, right, way out upon the road, them hours a morning, yeah. Right, I'm guessing they probably ask him some kind of question like, what, you have special permission? Yeah, what kind of job you have making if you're upon the road? Because you know some people are allowed to actually stay beyond the curfew hours. So after questioning the youth and realizing, say, well, he doesn't have any special permission to be on the road these hours, then give him a search. When them give the youth a search, this is what them take off of him, what you see on your screen right now. Now, I want people to understand something. When you hear me talk about acidic, I want them to realize, say, if people really put their mind to what they really care about, there's no stopping them. When you hear me talk about culture and mindset, understand this. This youth, right, if I him do it himself as somebody where him know, so him can get the knowledge, sit down, got some regular household items, right, freely available around him. Right, I don't, him literally, the only thing he might have to buy is the shot. That's it. And of course, these things are all over Jamaica. All over Jamaica. Right, and some of them are 10 times more ingenious than the one we are see right here. So. And let me tell you, even though they may look ridiculous, you see, weapons like these, they're worse than a real handgun. And I'm talking about single shot here, right? Yes, obviously if somebody have a real weapon, we can fire 20-30 rounds, and yes, over time it can do more damage. But if you talk about one shot versus one shot from this is worse than one shot from a real handgun. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the accuracy. You see, a real pistol, right, has certain features that are there to increase the accuracy, meaning say where you point it or where the round is supposed to go, and assuming you point it properly and hold it properly, the round is going to go where it's aimed. This thing we have to right here, so the 87 might aim left and the shot gone right. It might aim up and the shot gone down. There is no telling where this will end up, right? This have to go fire from a very, very close distance because there are certain features where they just can't replicate, especially because the main feature will help with the accuracy of a weapon, them can't see it from the outside. So enough of them probably don't even know say it exists, right, unless them really pull down gun and inspect gun certain ways. And even if they know it exists, right, the main feature will make weapons accurate, they don't have the equipment to actually install it in them one pop, right. So then you have 87s walking around in things like this, and as me say, who knows where the round end up, right? Even at close range, you can never tell. We've seen how 87s work even at very, very close range. So, let me go back to the argument before. Where there's a will, there's a way. If the mindset is there, and if the attraction is there, even the youth who non a gun will go make one himself. Just like how, when I was young, them time there, because we couldn't afford the real toy truck, right? Parents couldn't go into the store go buy the real toy truck. Then time every youth they want that truck, right? Nowadays, times change, me understand. Nowadays youths have them phone and them tablet, but in my youth, my days, it was box truck, right? Used to want truck, and we also have gig and marble and them thing there, right? But I remember the truck was probably the most desirable, but couldn't buy a truck. But we wanted the truck. So what we used to do them time there, we used to make the truck. We used to use the box them, right, orange juice box them, and you get your cork, right, and you stick, and you make your truck, you pull your truck on your string. Where there is a will, there is a way. You see that creativity that made youths push and strive till them figure out how to make a truck with nothing more than box and cork and everything there. that same creativity, it's still not the youth them. It's still not the youths them of Jamaica. Except now it is being channeled into making guns. So the youth them don't want to make no more box truck. Right? Now the man them and make homemade 9mm. Right? Because they want it so much that they will not accept no. Just like all them time there, we did want the truck so much that even though we can't buy it, fine, we'll make it. I saw them meters stay now. Oh, yes, we can't buy a SIG, we can't buy a Glock, fine, we'll make it. Because it is the will that is pushing them on. We're talking about acidic here. Talking about mindset. Remember now, people that say, well, if you put that up on the corner, him not the money, him not the links, him can't bust no gun. Wrong. If the mindset is there, he will go make it. He will go make it. And here is the thing. If he was to talk to the same media team, say, yo, why not go get a work over here, sir? Why not go try to do this? He will find every excuse. He will find every excuse why he can't go here, so he can't go look for the ring, so he can't send in the application here, so he can't go finish the course, so he will find every excuse. You know why? Because the will isn't there. So he end up do the hardest thing, which is to make a gun, right? But the simpler thing, him not go do it. Fill out an application form, just write him name, him number, and send it to a place where have a clear sign on it, say vacancy, apply within. You don't even need a subject. You don't even need a subject, just apply and get the job. Him not do it, he can't bother to write the name because he has no will. He doesn't have the will to go do that. But he has the will to be at 87. He has the willpower, right, to lock gun. So even though he might come from West Kingston and the man them not give him the gun, because then go there and say, by the way, when they see you have to do them thing, you know say they're not really in the streets like that, because they can't go to the system to get a gun. Because if they were a part of, one of the Tivoli gang, them, or if they were a part of Screamers or a Spanish Town and them part of clans or one other, and in the system, they like get a gun. Then those two, maybe they won't get to lock it full time, but at least they like get one. This youth, I forgot make him one. So who knows, maybe even the gang reject him. Even the gang might tell him to, no youth, you're not getting nothing, go on your bed. And him say, what? You're joking, I'm gonna make my own. You're gonna make my own. I'm talking about mindset. Which leads me to my another point. Let's talk about the waste of talent in Jamaica. Some youths at Jamaica, remember the video I talked about? I don't know if it was a Charitix video or it was the education versus intelligence video. And I mentioned that some youth, them can't do the chemistry and the biology, right? Them can't do the economics and them stuff there, right? Them can't do the accounting. But put them in a one TD class and give them one T square and give them some piece of board and see what them do. It's enough of them youth there. I'm telling you, enough of those youths end up like this. Enough of those TD youths who in a school them they get forced to go in some class that them really not cut out for and drop out of school. But they were really designers. They really had they were the type of people who build things and make things and create things. You see, when them youth there get drawn in a badness, this is what you end up with. When them youth there end up get attracted to the 87 lifestyle, this is what you end up with. Him walk go in the backyard, pick up some basic things where everybody else does dash way, and next thing you know, he might have something that can kill somebody. Right? Telling you, there is an abundance of talent, right? Especially when it comes down to hands-on things in Jamaica. Right? There's no shortage of talent. But you see, when that talent is being channeled towards acidity, right? This is how you end up. This is how you end up. Not even the lack of a gun can stop the youths. The man them are gonna make it. The man them are gonna make it. Right? And more if you understand something. Notice, he's 18 years old. That means he's going to get tried as an adult. Right? You see, when you're under 18, when you're a juvenile in Jamaica, even can catch you with gun, even AK as you see with Joel and them son. Their attitude is okay, reform and rehabilitate. Them no really a thing for fling away at that age. Right? This youth probably just turned 18. He might go probably do a decent stretch. And the fact say him can't even afford a real weapon. Probably tell me say he can't afford no lawyer either. Right? To dog name him suffer. Right? Some of those people can understand. Every time we come up with a reason as to why youths can't do this and can't do that, or our youths give you a reason why them can't do this and can't do that, what really is the issue here is the lack of willpower. right? The lack of willpower and motivation. If the youth are motivated with something, then find a way. It's simple. Just like how when pitney motivated fi sneak out of them parents' yard, all if you padlock, all if you lock the door and put the dresser behind it and use some big plyboard, nail it down, then me dig a hole and go underground. Right? When people want something, you can't stop them. You have to understand this is human nature. Right? This is human. That is why the mindset is the key. This is why I focus on the mental side of it so much. Right? People focus on, oh well, if he not a gun then he good. No, that not stop him. Just like I said, remember the video I did about the FLA video? When I said when people say, oh well, if everybody if more people have license firearm, then everybody got to start shoot their wife. Well, guess what? If a man really want to kill his wife, or a wife want to kill her husband, you think she need license firearm after that? You think somebody need a license firearm to shoot them partner? When they have a kitchen full of at least 20 different things they can use to do it. Right? Where there is a will, there is a way. Right? So thinking say, oh well, as long as we take with this from them, everything alright. No. Go back in history. There was a time when human beings used to go to war with sticks and stones. Sticks and stones. I'm not even they have sword them time there. So if you want to kill somebody, if that is what motivates you, if you're motivated by that, then the lack of something not gonna stop you. So yes, even though a firearm is convenient and efficient, if somebody is really motivated to rain down chaos, then they need one. Ask the people them in Europe, people them in France, people them in UK. Even though it's in them country there, because them have stricter weapons when it comes on to guns, when man carry out certain attacks over this, so people use car. Germany in them place there, man use car and drive through a crowd. Oh well, I don't have a rifle if you go shoot 6 people. Fine, but just use my car and hit down 6 people. Right? People in London can tell about man do stabbing attacks. Man literally just walk through the centre of London and just randomly start stab people. Right? People in France, one man use one truck and lit down and kill 80 people. Right? So people, understand, the mental side of it continues to get underrated. People focus on the thing them when they can see. People can see a gun, they can see a knife, they can see a shoes, or a trim on the shoes, or a trim of this. People, human beings are mental and psychological creatures. If the mentality is wrong, right? If the psyche is wrong, if the attitude is wrong, if the culture is wrong, things that are intangible, things where you can't see and touch, that is what then spur people on to go do certain things. Right? So you might think, say, oh well, we'll take what this from him so I'm good. You'll find a way. You'll find a way. You fix the mind, and the mind sort out the body. And as the saying goes, a mind is a terrible thing for waste. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.